Hey guys, Michael's Gettin Greasy Garage. So, had a package show up today for the 59 Fairlane build. This comes from a company called Kreitz. They're a restoration company. Their thing is Ford Thunderbolt parts and other Ford stuff. So, anyway, this is their Crossmember for putting a big block Ford and a C6 into a 59 Fairlane. You set this bolt this to the transmission, and you line it up in the frame. You put these on, and they get welded, which is fine. Comes with motor mount spacers and the correct big block motor mounts to adapt to what's in the car. And comes with a transmission mount for the C6, which goes on right there, obviously. Pretty thorough instructions. But all in all, worth the $545 they want. It's a nice piece. Very nice quality. They build each one of these to order. And made in the USA, of course. I had a few people ask why I didn't just do this. Well, you know, to engineer something like this and make sure that it's correct, it takes time. Time is money, I understand, but at the same time, I've got a lot more to do to this car than just build this kind of stuff. And it's real hard for me to design it and build it and install it for the $545 they charge for the complete kit. That's from a reputable manufacturer that knows these cars inside and out. Just it's a big time saver to me. That way I can pluck the motor in there and call it good. You know, and being that it comes with motor mounts and transmission mount, I mean, there's easily probably $150 of the price itself. So to make it just a drop-in deal, pretty nice. The Crossmember has cutouts for dual exhaust, which I like. And I'm not sure what all this is for, but I'm thinking probably emergency brake cables and stuff like that. But really well built. So it does come bare, no primer on it or anything. I don't know that I agree with that, but I'll be painting it regardless. Came well packaged. So yeah, getting closer. So if you're looking to put a big block Ford or a 390 or anything like that into the older Fords, go to Kreitz. They're like 55 through 68 Ford stuff, and they've probably got an answer for you because they had the answer for me. Alright guys, well, it's a rainy day out, and it's a Sunday, the Lord's Day, so I don't do a whole lot, but I figured I would take the time to show you guys this. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, ring the bell for notifications. By hitting those buttons, it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help support the channel. Alright guys, see you later.